Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, April 5, 2024. The news this morning is that there's an earthquake centered in, I think, New Jersey, which is impacting the New York metropolitan area. Hope everyone's safe and there's limited damage. And also, we've got the solar eclipse on Monday, so Mother Nature showing up, and maybe the earthquake's a sign of Mother Nature wasn't very happy with some of the things that happened yesterday in the financial markets. So on Thursday, the markets started out a strong rally after a couple of weekdays earlier in the week, and looked like it was going to be just a nice rebound and maybe a continuation of the first quarter's up move. And midday kind of weakened. And one thing I've been following is the price of oil. And sure enough, oil when I looked was had been kind of flat, started to move up a little higher midday, and I think that kind of put a headwind to the stock market. But what really was the knockout blow was a couple of Federal Reserve speakers that came out and said, if inflation doesn't moderate, then there may not be any interest rate cuts in 2024. And of course, Wall Street just threw a temper tantrum if they're not going to get their interest rate cuts and sold off hard. It was part of which magnified the move lower was the dealer positioning mechanics. The dealer gamma flipped negative, which means whatever direction the market's moving, it just moves it further that way. So that's and the market closed very hard on the downside. Today we get the employment data for March, which came in a lot stronger than expected, and that so we'll see. I think it's important whether I was talking to somebody yesterday that there was. I thought that no matter what the number was, the important reaction was how the stock market took it. And the stock markets, rallied today. So we'll see if that yesterday was a one-off, and if that, the economy and job growth and like that, even if we don't get interest rate cuts, could propel earnings and sales and like that. So we'll see. I think it's the sell-off from yesterday didn't continue so far. Who knows? Could be the afternoon could weaken going into the weekend. So report back to you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Thank you for listening, and please like, subscribe, share, and keep the comments and questions coming. Thank you. Goodbye.